Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my home. I'm Chef Woody, and we are cooking in my kitchen today. We're going to make a meal that the kids like and everybody likes, and it's very easy to make. Now, everybody's cooking at home more. I want to show you how you can use the Gunter Wilhelm knives and the pots and pans in your own home. So, I know everybody, I don't know what to have for dinner. Should we order pizzas? Should we get cheesesteaks? But, this is a meal that you can make very quickly before you could even have a pizza delivered, okay? It's very easy to make, and I'm going to go over that real quick with you right now. So what we got is we got some Hassel cattle beef tenderloin right here. You can go on our website and check that Hassel meat products. So we got the tenderloin. I got just some broccoli. I got some pasta. I got an array of cheeses. This is just a mix. It's just like an Italian mix, but you can use Parmesan if you want. You can use whatever. I got some Parmesan and I got some blue cheese. You can use, any type of cheese. We're going to make a gluten-free cheese sauce real quick. All you do is you're going to heat up the pan. All right, we're going to take some heavy cream. You're just going to put the heavy cream right in. You don't have to make a roux or anything like that. We're just going to use the heavy cream. We're going to get that heated. Once that heated, we're going to just add the cheeses, whatever cheese you want. We're going to add that in. I got the oven coming up to temp. I just got it at 350. You could do 400. For what we're going to do is we're going to sear the steak on the pan. And then we can either cook it on the pan or you can finish it off in the oven, whatever, you can throw it on the grill, however you want to do it. Well, we're going to do this inside because a lot of people are just cooking in their apartment, in their house. So that's what we're going to do. I got water boiling here. This is how quick it is. I'm telling you. You come in, what's for dinner? We're going to have steak and cheese sauce. The kids think it's like macaroni and cheese. We're going to just cook off the broccoli real quick. As that's cooking, we're going to get some pasta cooking. So the pasta is going to start boiling. We got the broccoli is going to cook. We got the cheese sauce getting heat up, right? We're going to get I got this pot right here. It's got the marks right on it for the grill effect. Just a little bit of olive oil. Throw some shallots in there or whatever you want to do, okay? The meat, I just got salt, pepper, some parsley on it. And then I marinated a little bit of, I splashed it with a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette on there. So we're going to get that pan nice and hot. This is what it's going to look like when it's done, okay? It's, I took a little blue cheese. We're going to put that on top. You don't have to if you don't want to, but, and then the cheese sauce is there. And then we're just going to take a little balsamic vinaigrette and just kind of sprinkle it on there. If you go to Olive Garden, you're going to pay like $27 for this, okay? And mine's better. Not to knock Olive Garden, but. So we got the veggies are done. The cheese sauce is starting to heat up. Save a little bit of the blue cheese crumbles for the top when you're done. Just going to mix that in. Going to melt that up. I like to add a little bit of pepper. Put some paprika in there if you want. Once that pan gets going, we're going to take the steak. Of course, we took the pasta. We're cooking the pasta. I got a little piece of Parmesan afterwards. We can grate. If you're having a dinner party, this is a great meal for a dinner party. Invite some friends over. Pop a bottle of wine. You're going to cook this real quick. You can even cook this ahead of time. So you can cook off, brown off the meat and then just have it in the oven warming. The cheese sauce holds. You can hold that for a couple of days. So if you're going to have a dinner party, you can just make this right there on the spot or just make it right before. Serve it with a little bit of wine. And then when it comes out, all you're going to do is you can just, grate a little bit of cheese right over the top. This sauce, it gets thick. It's nice. It's gluten-free. It's that easy. It's the sauce is pretty much done. Okay. So the pasta's boiling. We got the broccoli's done. The meat's going to not take long at all. It depends on how you like it. Medium, well, rare. Let's turn it real quick to get those cross marks on there. Grab a plate. We got the broccoli. You can put a little Parmesan on that if you want. With that steak. This cheese sauce, you can see it's done. It's ready to go. In these Gunter pans, it doesn't even stick. There's nothing to stick. It's gonna wipe right out with a paper towel when I'm done. So depending on how you like that steak, we're going to take the steak. I like to pop it in the oven, finish it off to temp in the oven. And that's it. It's going to be like this. We're going to take the cheese sauce. You can put it right over top of the pasta. Sometimes I put it right over the meat. Just grab a little bit of balsamic, put it over there. And there you have it, folks. We're talking like 10, 15 minutes. The meal's on the table. Pop a bottle of wine or water. Have a good night. Thank you.